We want to tell you about more great programming coming your way. ABS Global is the largest bovine genetics business in the world, and tonight on Rural America Live, we'll talk about the role of genetics in the food supply chain and how it can bring value to your herd. Joining us now is geneticist and director of global beef product development, Dr. Matthew Cleveland. Thanks for joining us, Matthew. We know the world's population is growing. How is ABS going to approach using genetics as part of the solution to feed that growing population?
Well, thanks for having me here, Christina. You know, genetics play a critical role in building a sustainable food supply, which is crucial to really addressing the world's protein needs. And, you know, every minute of every day, there are about 45 cows that are bred to ABS genetics all around the world. And that results in about 8 million beef and dairy calves that are produced every year.
Wow.
And from those calves, we get about 140 million tons of milk and 2.6 million tons of beef. And so really to feed that growing population, ABS is focused on, you know, developing the right genetics for our farmers and ranchers so that they can more cost effectively and sustainably create higher quality milk and meat.
You know, there is so much science to what you're doing, and the safety of what you're doing as well is something that we're going to talk about tonight. This is such an important conversation to have, but I think that anybody who's joining us right now, they don't know about ABS. You've been a pioneer in the cattle genetics industry for 80 years. That is so impressive. How have things changed over that 80-year time span?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, ABS has a long tradition and a long tradition of innovation. And a lot of people will know ABS as a company that was there for their parents and their grandparents. And, you know, we're absolutely incredibly proud of that. But we're also really excited about the opportunity to continue to support that next generation of farmers and ranchers. And again, we do that through innovation because that's really at the core of who we are. And so, you know, we know that innovation must meet the needs of our customers and of their customers. And then at the same time, we have to continuously challenge ourselves and the industry to ensure we're addressing the changing needs of that beef consumer.
You know, what if people want to find out more right now? They don't want to wait until tonight's show. They want to learn more. Where would they go?
Absolutely. They can go to our webpage at absglobal.com and then just search for RFDtv. And we've got a page there that will give them some videos and some additional resources they can learn more about ABS.
You don't want to miss tonight's show, though. I do want to point out, we know our viewers are always trying to get smarter, and we're always keeping that in mind when we bring new clients onto our show. We are so excited to be able to tell the world more about ABS tonight. Make sure you join us. ABS Global Geneticist and Director of Global Beef Product Development, Dr. Matthew Cleveland. Thank you for your time. We look forward to that show tonight. Don't miss ABS Global, Rural America Live at 8 Eastern, 7 Central, right here on RFDtv.